It's the Brick Stacker. And this is Five Nights at Freddy's 3. Alright. So I have to do night 5 again so I can get the good ending. I'm not gonna record this at all because that'll take forever. And then I'm gonna go to nightmare mode and complete that, and once I complete that, everything will be done and I finish Five Nights at Freddy's 3. So let's do night 5. And it is very late right now when I'm doing this. So I need to do this very quickly. Holy cow, guys! I know you didn't record this, but he jump scared me and the 6 a.m. cut it out. Oh, I should have got that tape. It's like, and it was my first try. All right, we already know all that. So let's go and do our nightmare mode. No, I did it! What if I saw the bad ending? Dang it! That's unfair. I did it again. You can kind of see it this time, actually. That is unfair. Oh, I didn't unlock anything. Really? Alright guys, let's go to nightmare mode. This is gonna be very hard, guys. Oh, why did I interrupt you? Oh, sorry, guys. Hi. You guys probably don't want to hear that phone call anyway. We all know the phone calls are annoying. That was my fault, though. Oh, man, I just want... Oh, yeah, he's going away fast. I don't know about this.
Hello?
He's going away very fast. I kept up to him like when it... Oh, come on.
Hi.
Okay, you better go fast this time. Kind of hard to see this one. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, that didn't do anything. Come on, hurry up. Oh, great.
Hello?
Great, I lost him. Freddy's in a vent. Because that's the vent he came from last time. Great. Great. Ah! Come on! Great, I'm gonna die. Especially since I don't even know where he is. Come on. Oh, great! Come on! Dang it. Oh, really? What? It was a Foxy jump scare. It was a Foxy jump scare. Oh, that is unfair. Oh. Really? Great, just kill me. Yeah, thank you, just kill me. Where were you? You were nowhere. Oh, come on. Okay, you can interrupt it. That's fine. Where are you? Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. You saw him behind Balloon Boy? That means I'm dead. So dead. Hello, I saw you. You better go back. Oh, dang it. Go back.
Hi.
Yeah, just kill me. I don't care. Yeah. Man, that was actually pretty good. Oh, come on, Foxy. Oh, come on. And again, it happened again. Balloon Boy jump scared me. Not Springtrap. Balloon Boy can't kill me. Not. Really, Foxy? Really? Jesus. What the heck? Oh, come on. Sam, oh my gosh. So unfair. Balloon Boy is jump scaring me. Not Springtrap. Balloon Boy can't kill me. Oh, come on. Freddy. You were just there. Oh, come on, Chica. Oh. Go away. It's like my third time running into you. Chica, you want away? Eat this. Oh, great. Oh, come on. Ah. Just kill me, man. Yeah, thank you, please. Ah. Oh, great. Jesus. Yeah.
Hi.
Really? What the heck? Oh. Oh, come on. Ah. You gotta at least give me a chance. Oh, no, no, no. Ah, I knew it was coming. All right, guys, I did it. And guys, I had a lot more failed attempts. I just did not show them because it would get very boring. And you can see, I got my second star. And I'm gonna show you some pictures of what I got because I'm gonna make a video of, it's gonna be using the song It's Me by Smite Tryhard Ninja. And I have a bunch of pictures and I'm gonna be doing some videos too. The videos aren't gonna be looking that good, but the pictures are actually gonna, I'm taking them. Now you can just go like this with your iPad, you can't see. But you click the two buttons and then it'll take a picture for you. I have a lot of them. I have like 90, it's crazy. So let's go check out those pictures. So that's one of Springtrap right there. That's Springtrap, of course. And that is the marionette, and that's part of Freddy's jump scare. Chica's jump scare, game over sign. And sorry about that. We got a bunch of cams. Don't need to really see those. Freddy, Balloon Boy. There's Springtrap right there. Springtrap again. Let's make no purpose. Vent, 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 vent. Balloon Boy again. Marionette. Springtrap, Springtrap. That's Mangle. Oh, Freddy. Camera system error. That's Springtrap in cam 6. Cam 3. Audio devices error. And that's him in the cam 15 vent. Springtrap again. Cam 5, he's right there. Yep. And there's the game over screen. Balloon Boy, that's a great big one. And then there's him in cam 12. There's him again. Cam 10. You can see he actually appears right there. I never noticed that. Got that. Freddy, before he does the white thing. There's Freddy walking. There's the warning. This game contains flashing lights, loud noises, and lots of jump scares. Springtrap in cam 1. Balloon Boy again. Him in cam 14 vent. Him in cam 2. He's actually right there. Stop that. Trying to move over. Balloon Boy again. There's him in the cam 11 vent. All the errors. Kind of a low quality picture. Alright. And then we got, that's like the beginning picture that you show, that shows up as Springtrap when you start the game. Him in cam 13 vent. Him in number 1. Number 2 is Springtrap. Phantom Foxy. Phantom BB. Phantom Chica. Phantom Freddy. And Phantom Puppet. And here's the screen that tells me I won the 6-9. And there's the newspaper. It burns. Fazbear's Fright burns to the ground. A new local it's so small print. Attraction based on the Agent Pizzeria chain burned down overnight. Authorities have not yet ruled out foul play, but at the moment, it seems to have been caused by faulty wiring. Very little was found at the scene. The few items that were salvaged will be sold at public auction. And there is a Freddy thing. And actually, I learned if you brighten up the picture, Springtrap will be right there. Springtrap in Cam 4. Cam 2 is actually all the way back there. I got the bad ending. I did the whole thing again. I still got the bad ending. Oh, that's a Five Nights at Freddy's 1. I haven't seen that picture of him. That scene and when I was playing before, so I got a picture of that. Freddy. Ventilation error. Dude, I found the Shadow Freddy. I could not believe it. See, he's right there. Dude, I got so excited. I learned that it's the rarest thing in the whole Five Nights at Freddy's 3 game. I got so pumped up. I'm so excited about that. I don't know what that picture is. Foxy, Marionette. Foxy before he jump scared me. Balloon Boy. Balloon Boy, Cam 7. Balloon Boy, Cam 9. Balloon Boy, Cam 10. Balloon Boy had a Springtrap behind him. Balloon Boy and Cam 1. Chica before he jump scared me. And there's a Marionette. And that's all, guys. Alright, so that showed you that I did beat Night 6. It took me 3 to 4 hours. I was not going to show all that footage. That would be so boring. So, I just decided to take pictures so you can see. Like, I kept playing it. Let's go to the part with the Sam part. Let's see. That was 2:49. And let's see when I first started. So 2:49. A lot of pictures. I took like 90. Come on. Yeah, it's long. I think we're... There we go. This was 9:19 a.m. Whoa. I made it taking like an hour break, so probably 4 hours in total. Wow. I mean, that was... It was crazy. I probably took an hour, 2 hour break because I got bored at it like at, I think, 12 and I started at 2 because it was so hard that I just got frustrated with it and I wanted to relax. And then right when I got back, took me almost an hour, about 45 minutes actually I should say, and I beat it. So, alright guys, so I'm going to make that video and I do not know how to get the good ending, so apparently I cannot get any of the extra cheats. So, sorry about that. Actually, I don't even know how to do it. I looked it up. I still couldn't find out. Alright guys, so that was Five Nights at Freddy's 3, part 5. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.